Hi everyone, Miss Mallory over at the Idaho Falls Public Library here. Today we're going to make a project that you can do at home along with this video. We really wish we could do programming like we normally do and have you here each week to make your own wonderful creations, but unfortunately we can't do that right now. So today we're going to make a calm down jar. It's something that you might be able to use if you have a lot of really complicated feelings like a lot of us do right now. It's frustrating to not be able to hang out with your friends. It's confusing that things aren't how they normally are. And this calm down jar can really help you focus on your feelings and work your way through them. So we have some books at the library like Why the Face, Alpha Breaths, Meditate with Me, Hurty Feelings, and Deep Breaths. All of these books talk a lot about feelings and how you can practice breathing and motion to help you feel a little bit better. So today for our calm down jar, all you need to have is corn syrup, water, a glass or plastic bottle or jar, food coloring, glitter, and beads, or if you want to put other things into your jar, you can do that, like Legos or maybe some little figurines. So we're going to go ahead and get started. If you don't have corn syrup, another way to make these jars is to use clear glue or glitter glue. The only difference with those is that you'll need to use warm water. So if you want to make one with glitter glue or clear glue, make sure that you have a grown-up's help and permission to heat up that water. We're going to start with our corn syrup. You're going to fill your jar about 2/3 of the way full with corn syrup. That's what all our stuff is going to be suspended in. That means that the corn syrup is heavier than the water, so the items that we put in it are actually going to float very slowly, slower than they would if it was just water. So we've got our corn syrup in there. We're going to go ahead and add our water. You want to make sure you leave a couple inches at the top to make sure that you can move your stuff around when you shake your bottle. We're going to put our lid on and shake it up to mix up our corn syrup and our water. Get a nice good mixture. We're going to go ahead and open that. And now it's time for the fun part. We get to pour our glitter in. Today we're going to use green glitter. And you can put as much glitter as you want. However glittery you want it, it's your calm down jar. We're going to go ahead and do some blue food coloring. We're going to do 4 drops. And that's because the food coloring goes a long way. But if you want it to be a lot darker, you can do that too. So we'll screw our lid back on, make sure it's tight, and mix it up. All right. So now we've got a nice thick mixture of glitter, corn syrup, water, and food coloring. Now's when we get to add our beads or whatever else we want to add in there. So I'm just going to take a handful, drop them in there. We lost a few. That's okay. Parents, if you're concerned about this mixture spilling everywhere and making your surfaces sticky, you can always add a little bit of glue to the lid, and that'll keep it shut tight. All right, so now we can shake it up. And as you can see, when we flip our jar over, our glitter is floating around slowly because the corn syrup is holding it. And our beads float to the top slowly. So if you're feeling frustrated or confused or angry, and you have those feelings and you're not sure what to do with them, you can have this calm down jar ready, and you can just slowly watch the beads rise up and the glitter move around and fall down. And if you focus on that, it'll help you feel a little bit better. We can't wait to see you back at the library so that we can do programming all together, but we hope that we can bring you a lot more programs like this over Facebook and on our website, ifpl.org, until that time comes. Thanks.